Number 5. Number 4.
Introducing the Craftsman 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander. This compact sander features a low-profile design for added control and is ideal for surface preparation, smoothing seams, and removing paint or varnish. Use the included dust bag or connect to a 1 1/4-inch vac hose for high-performance dust collection. It also features a dust-sealed switch, which provides durability. This sander can also be stored easily away between uses. Get your job done the easy way with the Craftsman 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander. Craftsman. We build pride.
Number 3.
With stricter regulations on job sites, DeWalt has built even larger systems of professional power tools, hand tools, and accessories to help minimize dust on site, provide tool control, and lessen user handle vibration. DeWalt's Table 1 compliant dust extraction systems provide better working environments and include unique features like airlock to connect the tools to dust extraction shrouds, cowlings, and minimize cleanup on site. The E-clutch system senses motion of the tool and reduces motor torque to a manageable level if necessary. Kickback brake engages when a pinch, stall, or bind-up is sensed, quickly stopping the wheel. Shock's active vibration control reduces vibration felt by the user at the handles. With a system this vast and innovation continuing to change the game, DeWalt puts perform and protect features at the forefront. Your first line of defense, DeWalt. Guaranteed tough.
Number 2.
Remember when your planer could handle every job you threw at it? The Win 12.5-inch benchtop thickness planer repurposes rough and worn wood while also providing uniformity to the thickness of your boards. Attack pieces up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick. Our 12 amp motor generates over 18,000 cuts per minute at a 26 feet per minute feed rate. Each full rotation of the knob adjusts the height of the planer at 1/16 of an inch, allowing for extremely precise measurements to meet the needs of the project at hand. The Win thickness planer also features a fully granite table to prevent scratches and marring to your board. Not only does this create a stable and perfectly flat base for wood to smoothly travel over, but it also provides a non-stick surface to prevent sawdust from clinging to the table. This package also includes a 2-inch fan-assisted dust port, a soft rubber grip adjustment handle, foldable in-feed and out-feed tables, side-mounted handles for easy transportation, and a tri-roller feeding system to help minimize snipe. Make boards flush, repurpose old wood, and get exact measurements, all with the Win 12.5-inch thickness planer. Remember when you brought those old jagged boards back to life?
Remember when?
Number 1.